As time passes, we as a whole have failed to realize that, damn it. As time passes, we as a whole have failed to realize that the superficial materials that we have come to idolize have become the advancing catalyst of our own downfall. Are you fucking kidding me? Hey. Yep. God damn it, this sucks. Does anybody even listen to this kind of shit anymore? Do you understand what I'm trying to say? What the hell? We have ill-mindedly given our lives to the products that bring our morals asunder.
Yes.
Done. Now it's our turn.
Didn't see that one coming.